Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. You have to start by open Philips headphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right bottom. Then click at the product information, and at the third line we have software update. Tap at this line and we have the information that I have the latest software version. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!